Hi everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's Kuyskiko. And today gagawa na naman tayo ng non-makeup related video because Plextone, the headset company, sent me two headsets. I just did a review of their cable headset. Ililink ko na lang sa baba. Pero dalawa yung pinadala nila sa akin. And this other one is the wireless version naman. 4Life True Wireless Gaming Headset. So if you want to know how this product performs and how to use it, all that good stuff, just please keep on watching. So tabi ko muna tong headset na to kasi yung isa binigay nila sa akin. Yan. Ano yung claims naman itong isa na to? So, nalagay ito 120 ms low latency, faster than AirPods Pro. Half-in-ear design. Small ear gamers also like to use. Custom gaming speakers to enhance the sound effect of gunshot and footsteps. HD voice, silicone crystal, semiconductor pickup element. Suitable for PUBG. Wala talaga alam sa laro. PUBG Mobile. Single side, 4.2 grams, lightweight design, IPX5 waterproof grade. Playtime up to 14 hours with charging box. iOS and Android system is fully compatible. Supporting headset power display. This one naman cost 799 pesos. So let's see the product itself. So yan siya. I got the green color. Kaya lang dito, 4Life True Wireless Gaming Headset, low latency, half-in-ear fit, Bluetooth 5.0 wireless, custom sound, made for gaming. Ayan. Sa likod, has all these information, charging case, and barcodes. Let's open it. Ito siya. Okay. Yan. Sa loob, meron siya nung cover ng headset, I guess. Tapos charger. Meron siyang instruction dito. And then, voucher or warranty card. Yeah. So, let's see the unit muna. Okay, so the charging case looks like this. Okay, magnet siya. There. Ito, meron dito yung charging port. Siguro yung light na yun yung indicator if full na siya or low bat. So, ito yung tsura niya. Yung design niya, very, parang different galaxy colors. Sana na describe ko na maayos. And meron siyang mga function dito. Let's see. Okay. So, multi-function key operation instruction. So, yun nga yun, yung nakalagay dyan. Suot ko nga muna. This one is for the left ear. Sakto dun sa aking ear shape. Tapos, yung kanyang earpiece, parang yung sa lumang, iPhone na earpiece. Yan. Okay. Hindi naman nalalaglag. Ayos. Press 1, play. Press left headset, last song. Press right headset, next song. Press left headset 3 times, volume down. Press right headset 3 times, volume up. Press 3.5 seconds long, power on and off. Loosen after 2 seconds, Siri or voice assistant. Okay, so let's turn it on. Okay, meron siyang sounds. Wala siya nung the Bluetooth device. Wala siya nung ganon. Bakit ang impersonation? Okay, sorry. Okay. Right now, paano ko ba malalaman kung may charge siya? So, naka-on na siya. O yun, may nagbe-blink na blue light doon. Okay, so pag nagcha-charge siya dun sa case niya, red yung ilaw. Ayun, yung ilaw. So, nagsa-charge siya. Meron pa siyang 2 bars dito sa kanyang case. Pamura ngayon ng wireless headset, no? I mean, the purpose of me getting my AirPods Pro is because I can use it in whichever device I open it into. So, kunwari, malapit ako sa iMac ko, sa MacBook ko, pag open ko ng headset, connected na siya. It's very easy with the Apple ecosystem. But if you're using an Android phone or kahit tong iOS nyo at hindi nyo naman kailangan ng multiple connections across different devices, I guess okay lang na hindi Apple na headset ang gamitin nyo kasi I believe it just works as their function. Syempre, iba lang kasi yung AirPods Pro dahil meron siyang earbuds. So, I prefer that way instead of the first generation and the second generation. But this one, so how do you connect it? Let's see, for, magkano nga to? 799, no? 799. So, 800 pesos. Meron ka ng wireless na headset. Ayan yung iba't ibang kulay niya. So, I got the green one. Meron siya nung parang pink purple and meron siya nung fiery red. Yeah. Okay, pairing instruction. When the headset is taken out from the charging compartment for the first time, it will automatically turn on and the indicator light flashes red and blue to be matched. Okay, nagpa-flash nga siya ng red and blue. Turn on Bluetooth of the mobile phone. Search the Bluetooth name. Click pairing instructions. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, Bluetooth. Ayun, BT. Try to connect it sa BT. Ayan, connected na agad. Yun, nag-prompt na siya sa akin. Isang tunog lang siya. Mahina pa siya ngayon, but how do you turn the volume up? Press the right headset 3 times for volume up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, kailangan meron siyang pause. 1, 2, 3, up siya ng konti. 1, 2, 3, up siya ng konti. Hindi siya yung pag patuloy mo siyang pinress, mag-volume up siya. So, dito ko lang siya i-up. Okay, try natin yung bass test. Okay siya. Matinis. May tinis siya ng konti sa bass. Pero yung song kanina works perfectly fine. But yung bass niya medyo may konting-konting lata sound. Pero hindi siya galgal or hindi siya crackling noise or hindi siya sabog, so to speak. Medyo may pagkalata sound lang siya. Hindi siya yung solid na bass sound. Try ko hinaan. Okay. Decent. Try natin yung mag-record ng voice. Mic test, hello, mic test, hello, mic test, hello, mic test, mic test. Yes. Okay, parang dito nag-record, no? Try ko dito. Hello. Hello, mic test. Hello, mic test. Hello. Ayun. Doon nga siya nag-record. Hello. Hello, mic test. Hello, mic test. Hello. Okay, so the mic works. Okay siya doon. For its price, alam naman natin kung magkano nag-range yung mga wireless headsets in the market. Even the branded ones, even the premium ones. But this one for only 799 pesos, meron ka ng ganitong headset. I mean, okay lang. Okay siya. Tingnan natin kung mag-auto-connect ha. So, nilagay ko na siya dito. And not connected siya. As you can see, yung BT, yun yung name niya. Yan, BT, yun yung name. Try kong ilagay. Punasan ko lang yung phone ko kasi nagre-rehistro sa camera ng madumi. May foundation kasi. Oh. Nag-connect siya mag-isa. Easy connection. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-toggle ng switch. Once you connect the device for the first time, tuwing gagamitin mo siya, automatic na siyang magko-connect. So, it's good. Lalo na when you're driving and you're using this. Kaya lang, syempre, you have to charge this case for how long do you charge it? After the headset is used or the power is sufficient, put the headset into the charging bin for charging. At this time, the headset is in the off state and the LED indicator light is always on, indicating that the headset is charging from the case. After, okay, wala nang nakalagay kung ilang oras mo siya. Standby time, okay. Music time, continuous playing is 3 hours. Bluetooth distance is 8 meters. Standby time is 30 days. 1 and 30 minutes para ma-full charge yung bin. Hindi lang nakalagay dito kung ilang minutes bago ma-full charge yung mismong earpiece kung nasa bin siya. Nakalagay lang pag nag-blue na siya, full charge na siya. Since naka-red siya, so I guess nag-charge pa siya at the moment. Isa na lang yung light na nandito sa charging case, so malapit na siyang malobat. The thing is, when you're using a specific headset for that specific phone, you can toggle the switch or kita mo na agad kung saan sa mismong phone mo kung nasaan yung, kung ano yung charge ng case mo, kung ano yung charge ng headset mo. So, medyo magiging bias kasi yung review ko kasi I'm using an AirPods Pro already. But, kung wala pa kayong wireless headset and you're looking for inexpensive ones, try the 4Life by Plextone. Hindi ko lang alam yung durability, but nakalagay naman dito, it's IPX5 waterproof grade. So, okay din. Waterproof naman pala siya. If in case kagaya ko kayo na burara at nalaglag nyo siya at nabasa siya, hindi siya masisira agad-agad. That's good. For me, okay siya for its price. 799 pesos. Not bad for a wireless headset. Yun lang. So, ililink ko na lang sa baba where to get it. Kayo din, magbasa din kayo ng reviews. Manood din kayo ng ibang review sa YouTube ng mga nakapag-try na, especially the gamer na mga nakapag-try na ng ganito kasi they can actually say a lot more. Kasi ako, hindi naman ako, ang headset ko kasi ginagamit ko lang for music and editing. I'm not a gamer. Kaya siguro hanap kayo ng ibang content creator na nag-games at nakapag-try na ng Plextone. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung buong review. If you're not subscribed yet, please do so I can continue making these kind of videos. My social media accounts will be linked down below and here sa screen. If you have any other requests, feel free to DM me or comment it down para magawa natin ng paraan. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you guys for watching and God bless. Bye!